Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Wonder, joy, curiosity. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Look out! That's loud! Suncoast Remake Learning Days. 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 Suncoast lift off!
We're standing in the Butterfly House at Marie Selby Botanical Gardens' historic Spanish Point. We're partnering with Suncoast Science Center and Lighthouse for our Multi-Sensory Earth Day. And as you can see, we're learning all about butterflies here.
You got one right there? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's pretty.
It's, guess that smell.
That's stinky. Woo!
Guessing. So this is
Hey, what's in there?
What is that?
a seashell.
A seashell.
Remake Learning Days is awesome. Great events and lots of learning.
An anthocyanin will change its structure depending on its pH. And when it changes structure, it changes color. Look at that. It's delicious too. Try some.
Tastes good. Whoa, no. That's pain?
It gets their creative outlet out in the midst of like the end of the school year crunch. So this is a great timing for a little creative outlet.
We have rock painting, chalk art, sand art, resin art, cricket art, all kinds of fun things.
All right, now put your cork in.
Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Suncoast. Whoa!
Loud in the library. Put it all together. Sounds like this.
Get down. Let's go. Get down. All right.
Motors will only do what our muscles can do, our joints.
What's he doing? Whoa! Robotics.
Hello, Kai and Jay.
Kai and Jay.
This is a fire bush, this is a native, and this attracts hummingbirds and butterflies.
Suncoast Remake Learning. That's you, Mr. Stevie? Jaw. Whoa! Watch the baby now. Beat the drums. Whoo! That's right. Sing it with me now. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Look out! Change it up now. Shake the leg. Now stretch it out. Get down. Now pull it back. Science class. What the? Oh. Wonder. Joy. Curiosity. Now that's cool. Dance together now. Now clap. Now clap. Don't give up.
Here all day.
Sounds good. Meditate. Look out! Spider!
There we go.
We love to read.
Pick a book. Branch out and read. The boss is in the sandbox. Strike a pose.
Okay.
Bam. And change colors when it's white. See?
Crown the beauty. Where's the beast?
See him in there? And they need to be wet, so we're gonna put them back in. Does that sound like a good idea? All right.
Hey, what's in there?
It acts like a solid.
Take flight. Chopper 4, permission to land.
Helicopter landed!
Remake Learning Days has been such a joyful experience. There have been numerous events held here in DeSoto.
I like to be a pilot.
I think aviation and stuff like that's really cool. And I think a lot of people will find it interesting. A lot of people that often can't have the resources, things like that, to try and do that kind of stuff.
I just wish I could fly a bit. I used to be scared right now. Thanks for flying!
Hey, hey, hey.
Do all of these with your family. These are meant and they're designed for you to share these activities with your parents and with your brothers and sisters and with your siblings who are here.
All right. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Sing it with me now. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Oh, I hear you now. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Suncoast Remake Learning Days.
Look at the shape of this is kind of how they live or where they live based on their body shape. So some fish have a fork-shaped tail.
I didn't know that. Out of space now. Take a look at this.
That is so cool.
I know.
What do you see?
Remake Learning Days. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Take it inside. Remake Learning Days. In the library. Remake Learning Days. Suncoast Remake Learning Days. Ooh.
So how many people were at your event tonight?
526!
What? We love
Suncoast Remake Learning Days!
10 days, 200 plus events, 25,000 people. Thank you very much.